In this video, I'm going to take you through Opacity, which is a ROM in TryHackMe. So let's get started. Opacity is a boot root made for pen testers and cybersecurity enthusiasts. So I've already fired up our machine, it's up and running. Opacity is an easy machine that can help you in the penetration testing learning process. There are two hash keys located on the machine user, which is the local.txt and root proof.txt. Can you find them and become root? Hint, there are several ways to perform an action. Always analyze the behavior of the application. So they want us to find the local.txt flag, the proof.txt flag. So I've already done our nmap and our gobuster scans. So I'll just show you the results. So I did SC for scanning and G for scripts, SV for service enumeration, tag P for no host discovery, then tag uppercase A for an aggressive scan, OS detection, version detection, and everything else. Then the IP address, we have it there. Then it revealed that there's port 22 open. This is the default port for SSH. Then we have port 80 open. This is an Apache web server. Then there are these three ports, which are just some ports for file sharing, I guess. So what I'll do, let me copy the same one. Okay, let me copy. Okay. Let's check the web page to see what it has, because we already know that it's an Apache server running. So okay, so here we have a simple login page which requires a username and a password for logging in. In a typical pen testing, we'll try out SQL injections to see if we can if this page isn't sanitizing the user's input. But I'll save you the hassle. This room isn't about SQL injection, so I'll just take you straight to what it is about. So here at our gobuster, it revealed that there is this cloud directory. So let me take you inside the cloud directory so that you can see what this room is about. So when we go to cloud directory, we are greeted with this interface for file uploads. So it reads 5 minutes file upload, personal file cloud storage. So this file upload interface requires us to upload files using a URL, not just browsing through the file system. We need to have a URL. So you see an interface that allows us to upload files. What we should probably think of is uploading a reverse shell so that we can execute it and get ourselves a reverse shell back. So what I'll do, I'll use a PHP reverse shell, which I'll get from okay, let's use this one. So I'll just clear the terminal because I love a clean terminal. Then we can get the reverse shell from Pentest Monkey. You can just search it online, but I'll do this because we should be having them here on Kali Linux. So if you do locate, you see it here. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this, paste the file path, then I'll copy it to our directory with this dot. So when you do an ls -la, you can see we have it here. So what I'll do, I'll open it up in Vim. So let me paste it right there. And when I open it, I for insert will come here. It says change this and change this. So this will be our IP address. That will be the 10.0. So that will be 10.23.11.96. Then when we come here, this will be the port our network will be listening on. So I can use 10.23 for that. You know what's up. So right and quit. Then that's that. Then what I'll do is I'll set up a Python server, -m for the module, HTTP server, then share the files on port. Okay, user bin. Okay, I had a typo back there, so let me just clear that typo here, HTTP right there. Okay, that's good. Then what we'll go to next is let me also clear this terminal. Then I'll set up our netcat listener. So L for listening, V for verbose, then N for no host discovery, then P for the port. Then we'll do port 1023, which we set in our VM. So that's already on. Then okay, I guess we are set. So what I'll do, let me first just do this. Let me grab the shell name. So when you come here, we'll do HTTP. You can see I already have some of them there. I already tried it out. So HTTP. Then we'll do the IP address .23.11.96 over port 8000 HTTP protocol. Then / the name of our shell. We'll paste it there. So we'll click down upload, and when we click upload, you see it yells at us. It gives us an error. Please select an image. So these are the mechanism behind this file upload system is that it checks the file extension. If it doesn't end with anything that is an image such as .jpg, .png, it will automatically discard it. So it only allows for emails, for images, I mean. So we'll have to look for a trick to go around that. So what we'll do, we'll just do the same way we did it here, but now we'll include a £, then a dot, let's say, jpg. So everything else after this, from this £, this way will be ignored, but just for this case, we are using this to trick this upload service that this is an image file. So let's click on upload. So as you can see, it is uploading. Beautiful. Okay, so there it is uploaded. You can grab that, and also if we check at our Python server here, the request is 200. Okay, so that's beautiful right there. So what we'll do, we'll paste that URL, go to it, then we'll check our netcat listener. That would be, where was it? Here. Okay, and as you can see, we already have a shell back, so that worked perfectly. So what I'll do, let me just run the basic OMI. Let's see, www data. So okay, that's that. Then do LSLA. Then okay, here we have these directories here, and what we want to do, let's cd to home, do an LSLA. Okay, and here we have this sysadmin directory, so I'll cd into that. Sysadmin, do an LSLA. So when we look at this directory, we have this local.txt, which we would try to cut out. Local.txt. Permission denied, so we don't have permission here. Okay, as you can see here, we don't have permission. Okay, so the next thing you can check out is the script file. Do an LSLA real quick. Then now we have the script.php. PHP, so you can take a look at that. So let's create.php. Okay, we also don't have function for that, so let me just get into the library, then do an lsla. Okay, so here we have this particular backup this whichever that is. So let me just grab that, copy that, and I'll paste here. I think we are missing something, but let's just go. So okay. So let's see. Okay, this backs up file, but okay. Let me take you back a bit. So I'll go back into. Let me do an lsla. Let's just hold that for a minute. At this point, we are supposed to be checking this cd into these options, directory, do an lsla, and here we were supposed to be finding this. Okay, sorry about that. We're supposed to be finding this. I went straight to sysadmin. Okay, no worries. So when we find this dataset.kdbx, we come here and let's. Okay, so before doing that, let me just say that .kdbx is a file extension for KeePass database files. So KeePass is a popular open source password manager that allows users to securely store and manage passwords, credentials, and other sensitive information. So KeePass database extensible is to open it, you need to have a KeePass compatible password manager such as KeePass or KeePass XC. So what I'll do, I'll start a Python server here in this target machine, then we'll download it so that we can open it from our local machine. So let's just do that. So I'll do Python 3, the usual -m http.server, then we'll listen at, let's say, port quad 4. So I bet that's running. So let's get back to our machine here. Let me just clear that. Then let's perform a get to get that. So let me grab the IP address real quick. So where were we? Here, I guess. Okay. So Control Shift V to paste. Then the port is quad 4. Then what you want is the name of the file is dataset. I guess dataset.kdbx. Okay, I hope that's that. Yeah, so let's grab this file, then we'll open it. So as you can see, it's already downloaded here. So we can just confirm that, and here we have it. So at this point, you need to make sure that you have the KeePass XC to open this particular file. So what I'll do, let me just fire up my KeePass. I already installed it. You can just do sudo apt install KeePass XC. So yeah, that's that. So let me just open it. So there it is. It's opening, and while it's opening, I'll just do this. Okay, that's okay there. While it's opening, let me go into where is our directory. We are working from TryHackMe, and now we are Where are we? We are in here. So I'll just grab this, then drop it here. So you can see when you drag it and drop it here, it requires a password. So what we'll do, we need to crack the hash first. So I'll come into a new terminal here, then I'll use KeePass to join, then I'll specify the word list, then we'll just okay, not the word list, we are first extracting the hash, sorry. So that's dataset dot kdb x, I guess. Then let's just extract the hash to dataset dot txt. Okay, yes, that's done. So we have this dataset dot txt. So now let's use John the Ripper to crack the hash now. So I'll just do John, then hash.txt, then w for to specify the path for the word list, and we are using this roq.txt word list. So let's run that. Okay. It's not hash.txt, it's dataset. Okay, sorry for that. That's dataset. Okay. It's giving us some warnings here, but let's hope it cracks it. So let's wait and see. It's giving suggestions here, which I don't think I'll fall into, but let me see. That seems that it will take time. So what I'll do, let me just do John, then dataset.txt, then let me run it that way without specifying, and see what will happen. Okay, loaded one password hash KeePass. Meaning it should already have cracked. Okay, I guess it should. This should be telling me that it has already cracked it. Okay, let me control C, then let me do John, then dash show, I guess. Okay, is it that way? Let me see. The password's cracked. Okay. It wasn't done, so I guess I'll have to run it one more time. I don't know, seeing this kind of tells me that it's already done. I'll give it time. Let me give it time, and I'll be back when it's done. So the scan finally finished, and I went back to using the roq.txt word list. So yeah, as you can see here, so the scan finished, and it revealed the password to be dataset and this number right here. So actually what I can do, I can just copy that And let's get back to our KeePass and paste it here. So let's unlock. Okay, and it has unlocked successfully. So in here we see it is harboring the password of the sysadmin. So let's just see. So here's the password. So we'll click this to see it, and here we have it. So we can just copy it, and that's beautiful. So let's close that. We're done with that. So now we have the password of the sysadmin. So what we can do, let's go back to our target machine. It's here. Okay, if we close it that way, we lose the shell, so not bad. We can go back and start our shell again. So let's see. What do I do when we get back here? And let me run our netcat listener. Okay, before that, let me just clear the terminal. I love a clean terminal. So start our netcat, go back here, and okay. Let me copy that, come back here, paste it. We should be having a reverse shell. Let's wait and see. So it's supposed to have caught a reverse shell. And why is that taking time? Is there anything else running on Watchtown 23? There should be anything else. I guess I'll have to do the upload again, I guess, because this is now taking time. Let me do this. Let me close that. Let me stop that. Let me go through the process again. So I'll do, okay, there's nothing to be copied there. Let me just go through the process again. It's daunting, but we have no other option of that now. So I'll go back there. HTTP should be having suggestions here. So I guess this is it. About 8,000. So yeah, it's upload. Okay, that seems to be running smoothly. So okay, this is what I was afraid of. Because after getting this, now it's problems on problems. So let me see. So as you can see, it has succeeded. So what I did, I changed. You remember that time we had .php, then #, then a dot. It was it JPG. So this time around I did #, then C. Now I changed from A to C. I think we already had A, so it went. So going back with A was it's like there's already a file existing with the name A. So yeah, you can just, when that happens to you, you can just change it from the data you're using initially to another one. So yeah, So now we should be having our reverse shell. So yeah, we have it here, and this time I'll make our shell more stable. So that should be Python -c for command, then import pty. I never did this last time, so let me just do it. pty.spawn, so that you can have an interactive shell. So that will be bin bash close. Okay. Whichever the case, I don't know what's happening, but okay, that's that. So we found the password to the sysadmin. So okay, what you were supposed to be doing was to switch user to sysadmin. Okay, and I can't remember there. Let me just do this. So I'll do KeePass, then I'll do dataset.kdbx. I think this should work. Okay, that's acting up, so I'll just use the GUI. This is really taking time, and while it's loading, let me grab this password again so that you can use it. I forgot to save the password. You should save the password. So okay, let's get here, unmask that, grab that, and copy it. So okay, I guess let me just minimize it. So I think this process which I'm doing, I think it's also possible with we can also SSH into it, but you can try that out using sysadmin as the user and this as the password. Yeah, you can do that. So okay, let me now check who am I. Yeah, now we are logged in as the sysadmin. So now we can go back to that particular directory that I was talking about. So that was in was it not? Let's do this. Oh, my bad. So okay, so let me see so okay, now there we are supposed to be going to home directory, so there, then let's cd to sysadmin. Yeah, I want to check what sysadmin has now that we have the rights of sysadmin. Okay, so first let me see what this local text is. Okay, a string. I don't know what it's about, so let me cd to script. LS so I'll cd to okay. No, wait a minute. Let me check this. Let's check what is in this script.php. Okay, and this, yeah, this is where we are supposed to be now getting our foothold. Well, so this script is a script to backup things, backup of scripts, system admin folder. So yeah, it grabs this, it grabs this particular script, then uses it to backup things. So yeah, after backing up, then I guess things are removed, yeah, whatever. So this backup.inc.php, we can assume that it's running a cron job. So what we'll do, where are we? So okay, let's cd to lib, because it's in we can see here it's in lib. So since it's running a cron job, we can where is it? Yeah, so let's just no, we can't cut it because yeah, we are not root. So what we'll do, because we know that every time it runs, then backs up the folders. So we'll delete it. Then after deleting it, no, we'll first copy the name. So I'll just do that. I'll copy the name. Then I'll delete it, remove it from this directory. Then in our local machine, I'll edit it to include a shell. Then we'll upload it back to this target machine. Then when it runs again, the machine will think that it's the same file because it has the same name. Then when it runs to back up the files, it will also execute our one-liner for catching a shell, and we'll catch a shell as now root. I don't know if that makes any sense, but let's just do it. So first I copy the name, then I'll just do and remove. So let me paste that and let's select. Okay. Okay. Remove the wrong. Okay. My bad. So let's copy that. I hope there's no repercussions to that. So let me just paste this. This is what we're supposed to be removing. So I'll do an ls la. Okay, and as you can see, it's no longer there. So I'll go back to our machine right here. So yeah, okay. So what I'll do, let me do them, then copy paste the name, and okay. So I'll use a one-liner to write a shell script that when it tries to back up, it also executes the one-liner. So for that, you can just search up any PHP one-liner for executing a shell. So that would be, this is just something that I got off the internet that seemed to work, so I hope it works. Bash opening in interactive mode, then that is sent to dev TCP. Then what we'll do there, let's grab it from here. Okay, so we paste that. Then we'll be listening over port. Let's say port. Can use code for. Let me use that. Then directed to yeah, that way. So close that, then directory. I hope we've got everything correct. So I'll just right and quit. Then now what I'll do, I'll start a network listener on our machine. Then I'll grab the shell that we've just written and do a wget from the target machine in that particular library directory. So let me just start a network listener. So okay, so here, so what I'll do is wget HTTP, then we'll specify the IP address, it's 96, then we did that, then the name was okay, I remember the name. This is the name right here. Let me just copy that here, so I'll just paste that. So yeah, I think that's that. So connection refused. Okay. Oh, I think that should be okay. So okay, have this running. Would that have any problem with? Okay, let me do a wget HTTP 10.23.11.96 over port 8000, and then is backup.inc.php. Why does it keep on saying connection refused? Is it because I have this running? Let me see. Could be. No, we're supposed to be going this terminal. So let me just grab this. Where is it? It's only just use this one here. Copy that. Okay. And I guess now our shell is normal. Okay, it's still there. So okay, let me take a minute and see what's not happening. So I've just done some research, and I've seen that I should be listening on port 80, so that's what I did here. And I don't know if How is that supposed to be helping? Let me see. I've eventually managed to download the file to the remote machine, and I've just realized it was a silly mistake. First was the listening on port 80 thing, which I don't think it was the biggest deal. The issue was I was putting a forward slash here instead of putting a colon. So like colon listening on a port, let's say 8000 or port 80. I was putting a slash, as you can see on these ones, the attempts that I was making. I was putting a slash, so I guess you've seen how confusing this can be. So that's that. So let's forge ahead. So we'll do a lsla, and you can see we now have this backup file. Now it has been re-uploaded. So let's check to see if we've caught a shell. I think my netcat was listening, or I deactivated it. Oh, seems like it. Okay, no worries. So I changed my netcat to listen on port. Was it quad 9? I think quad 9. Let me see. Better yet, I can just come back here, and I can cut the context of backup.inc.php. Okay. Okay. Display the contents of backup.inc.php. Yeah, it's on port code 9. I should be able to catch a reverse shell. Or is that? And there is nothing here. What could be the problem? Let me come back check my reverse shell if it's written correctly. So php execute bin bash. Okay, then bash interactive mode. We have that. Then dev pcp, then 1010 dot. Yeah, there's definitely something wrong. Though it should take time to get back the reverse shell, but let me see. We finally caught a reverse shell, and I've realized the mistake I did. So let me just take you back. So what I did wrong was when writing the reverse shell, I included what was that? I replaced the IP address with the machine's IP address instead of mine. So if I can just find where here. As you can see, I used the machine's IP address. So this is where I went wrong. So I replaced that with my machine's IP address and uploaded it back to the target machine. and that way I was able to get the reverse shell. So here we are logged in as a root, so I can just quickly do who am I, we are root. I can do nsla and check. So yeah, here we have this proof.txt, so let's just carry it out and see. Proof.txt, and we have it here, and I think at some point we got our local.txt. I'll check it. Our machine is almost expiring, 5 minutes left. That's no big deal. We are done after a very long while. Okay, we had got our local.txt a while back, so let me just go back to here. Then where was that? That was in sysadmin, I believe. Okay, I have to go back a couple directories. So yeah, okay, here just right into it. So let me do local.txt. Okay, this box frustrated me, but mainly it was because of my silly mistakes that I shouldn't have done. Like they were nothing major, but I kept on just making silly mistakes one after the other, and it costed me the video is now close to an hour. It was supposed to be less than 30 minutes, but okay, that is that. I had a lot of learning points on things that I should perfect my skills on. So yeah, I hope you learned a thing or two, and I'll see you in the next video.